In this tutorial, you'll learn how to use the map view for navigation. For this, I have planned a trip from Bremgarten to Freiburg. Just for information, due to safety reasons, I didn't really fly during this tutorial, so the altitude will be at ground level and the departure point won't be located at an airfield. However, let's open the maps view of flyNav. Please use the normal vector-based map during your flight. If you use the satellite or hybrid mode, your map can get empty during the flight because you lose your internet connection. Well, as you see, the route is already programmed. So actually we can start the navigation right now. To start the navigation, go to the navigation view and press the nav button. Then let's move back to the maps view. You'll find your current course, ground speed and altitude in the indicator, which is located in the top left corner. Now let's start with the simulated flight. Okay, as you see, the speed increases. When we reach the programmed airborne trigger speed, the takeoff is detected automatically. You will find the takeoff time in Zulu time in the gray indicator. Our position, which is marked by the airplane, is now changing. Normally you want to orientate the map to your course and pin the plane on a fixed position. To do this, press the course link button, which is labeled with CL. Of course, you can change the zoom level by pinching your fingers on the map. Don't mind if your position slides out of the visible area. flyNav will automatically center the map at the next location update. Okay, at the top of the airplane you see a red line, which is the so-called 5 minutes indicator. The top of the line gives you the expected position in 5 minutes for your current course and speed. This is useful if you need to report your position 5 minutes before you reach a certain point. Well, of course, things can change and you may want to edit your route during the flight. You can do this by the route view, or you can do this directly in the map view. There is no difference to the planning mode. But before moving the map, you should deactivate the course link mode. Then let us append the airport of Lahr as an additional waypoint. Okay, done. Now, the last thing I want to explain to you is the automatic touchdown recognition. When your speed gets below the defined airborne trigger speed, which you can change in the setup menu, flyNav will recognize your landing and it will plot the touchdown time right to the takeoff time. Both times will be overwritten after the next takeoff. These times can be useful for your takeoff time report when you're flying with a flight plan, or if you want to make an entry to your flight book. At this point, I want to mention that the navigation display is in my opinion the better navigation instrument during a flight due to its plain design. But of course, it's your decision what you're using. Okay, that's all about map navigation.